When you are chosen, there is no instruction manual or warning. Instead, we are given clues and signs. These signs can unlock new journeys and guide us to our true potential. Do not ever ignore these signs because they can unlock a deeper understanding of your purpose and potential in life. In this journey of self-discovery, you might discover their energy pointing you toward your true destiny. Here are the signs you are a chosen one. Sign number 12. Quest for deeper meaning. Do you ever find yourself bored with the same old routine? Does the thought of conforming to what everyone else is doing make you cringe? If so, you might be experiencing our 12th sign. This sign is all about a quest for deeper meaning. You see, chosen ones often feel that there's something more to life than just going through the motions. They reject the idea of blindly following the crowd and seek a higher purpose. To make this relatable, think about a time when you questioned why things are the way they are. Maybe you wondered about the meaning of life or why we're here on this planet. These moments of curiosity are part of the 12th sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Sign number 11. Authenticity. Being authentic means being genuine, and chosen ones can't stand pretending to be something they're not. They dislike dishonesty in others because they value truth above all else. Being true to yourself is crucial. It's about embracing who you are without putting on a mask to fit in or to please others. Authenticity is like a guiding principle for chosen ones, reminding them to stay real, even when the world sometimes encourages otherwise. Think about those moments when you couldn't fake a smile or pretend to be interested in something you weren't. That's the authenticity within you shining through. It's our 11th sign that you might be the chosen one. Sign number 10. Thirst for more. Chosen ones often have a feeling that something bigger or more meaningful is out there, waiting to be discovered. They are like adventurers on a quest for the extraordinary, drawn to unconventional paths that lead to new horizons. Picture this. You might have daydreamed about distant lands, daring adventures, or pursuing a career that others consider unconventional. That's the thirst for more, and it's a significant sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Now, real quick, before we move on, if you find this information helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This way you never miss a new video from us. And don't forget to smash that like button. Sign number 9. Empathy for all. Chosen ones possess a deep empathy that goes beyond just understanding how others feel. It's about feeling a strong connection with all living beings, transcending the barriers of ego and self-interest. Think of a moment when you genuinely felt the pain or joy of someone else, even a stranger. That's the empathy we're talking about. It's the ability to recognize that we're all part of a greater whole, and our actions affect the world around us. Stories of compassion and kindness often resonate with chosen ones because they understand the power of empathy. It's our 9th sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Sign number 8. Active third eye. Your third eye is like a mystical gateway. When it's active, it grants you some incredible abilities. But what exactly is the third eye, and why is it so significant? Think of your third eye as your inner vision, your intuition center. When it's open, you can see beyond the surface of things. It's like having a superpower giving you the ability to perceive things that others might miss. One of the remarkable abilities associated with an open third eye is prophecy, which means clear sight. It's like having a sixth sense that allows you to see things that are beyond the physical world. You might have visions or insights that seem to come out of nowhere. Another ability is the clear audience, which is clear hearing. You can tune into frequencies that others can't, almost like having a direct line to a higher source of wisdom. Let's make this more real with an example. Imagine you meet someone, and without them saying a word, you sense their emotion or past experiences. That's the active third eye in action. It's important to note that the third eye is a symbolic and metaphorical concept rather than a physical organ or eye. It represents a higher state of consciousness and spiritual awakening. Sign number 7. Embracing being free. Chosen ones often reject the idea of blindly following authority figures or conforming to society's norms. They've seen through the illusion of what some call the Matrix, recognizing that there's more to life than what meets the eye. You might recall moments when you questioned rules or norms that everyone else seemed to accept. Perhaps you felt the urge to challenge the status quo and think for yourself. That's the embrace of being free, and it's our 7th sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Sign number 6. Understanding time as an illusion. Chosen ones often have a unique perspective on time. They understand that the rigid structure of past, present, and future is not an absolute truth. Instead, they perceive time as a construct of our 3D reality. Imagine for a moment that you felt time was more fluid, that the past, present, and future were interconnected. This perception often accompanies a transition from fear to love, as chosen ones embrace the love frequency. Stories of individuals who have experienced time differently resonate with chosen ones because they understand that time, like everything else, is a matter of perception. It's our 6th sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Sign number 5. Embracing the eternal now. Chosen ones often have a heightened sense of empathy and intuition. They can connect with others on a deep, emotional level, often knowing what someone is feeling or going through. Think about moments when you felt an unspoken connection with someone or had a strong intuition guiding you. These are the glimpses of the heightened awareness of the eternal now, the ability to be fully present in each moment. Chosen ones understand that the past has shaped them and the future is influenced by their actions now. It's about living in the present with a profound sense of empathy and intuition. It's our 5th sign that you might be one of the chosen ones. Sign number 4. Quest for truth. Chosen ones possess a deep curiosity and hunger to understand the truth about life and existence. They're not content with surface-level answers. They yearn for genuine understanding. Imagine a moment when you question the status quo and refuse to accept things at face value. Perhaps you dove deeper into a subject or sought answers to life's profound questions. That's the quest for truth. Chosen ones are truth seekers, and their journey often leads them to genuine answers that resonate with their very core. Sign number 3. Altruistic purpose. Chosen ones are motivated by a genuine desire to contribute positively to the world. They see their actions as a means to uplift others and create a more harmonious world. Think about individuals who have dedicated their lives to causes that benefit humanity or the planet. They are prime examples here. Whether it's through acts of kindness, community service, or larger scale efforts, chosen ones find fulfillment in making a positive impact. Sign number 2. Giving back. Chosen ones often help others, acting as saviors and healers for those in need. They understand that despite their own challenges, lending a helping hand can make a significant difference in someone else's life. Imagine moments when you reached out to support a friend in their time of need or extended a helping hand to a stranger. These acts of kindness and generosity are part of the giving back sign. Chosen ones find strength in giving, knowing that their actions can bring healing and hope to others. Sign number 1. Belief in a higher power. Chosen ones respect and believe in the grand design of the cosmos. They see meaning in everything that unfolds, even in the most challenging of circumstances. Consider moments when you've looked up at the stars and felt a deep sense of connection to something greater. Chosen ones often experience this connection knowing that they are a part of a special world of existence. Throughout history, individuals have exemplified this sign, those who find beauty and purpose in the mysteries of the universe. Remember, being chosen doesn't mean you're fundamentally different from everyone else. It means you've chosen to embrace truth, authenticity, empathy, and a higher purpose. It means you've chosen to seek a deeper understanding of the world and yourself. As you reflect on these signs, consider your own experiences and characteristics. Have you felt the pull towards a deeper meaning in life? Have you questioned the status quo? Do you possess a genuine desire to help others? Are you in awe of the mysteries of the universe? Embrace these unique qualities within yourself because they are what makes you special. You have a purpose, a role to play in this world. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. See you in the next one.